Hi guys, I'm here today with a Speedy Clean With Me video. It is Monday morning, it's about 9 o'clock, so I like to get up and just get all the weekend cleaning done before I get my day started. And of course, y'all already know Hazel has to make her grand appearance in every video. Y'all, she loves watching TV. So I have a little bench over there. I'm just throwing all my jackets or whatever was over there on the bed so I can put all that stuff away. So I cooked really late last night, like 12 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning late. So that's why I have all these dishes, because I definitely was not going to wash them last night. And my robe is like this because I got a big t-shirt on that I went to sleep in, and I really don't like putting on pants. So I just threw this robe on because it was easier for me. So I'm just taking an old Bath and Body Works candle and scraping the wax out of it and putting it into my wax warmer. It makes my kitchen smell freaking amazing. Like, don't go buying them little wax warmers in the store. If you got old candles, scrape it out, especially if you love the smell of it, and it smells so good in the wax warmer. It's so grassy outside my apartment, so I had to like sweep my shoes, all that dirt off my shoes. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm just sweeping the entire floor with it. And I have to sweep my floor every day because of my dogs and then the grass outside. So now I'm just about to spray the house with Lysol, like to, get the germs out the air. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.